In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview a project in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newbie exploring Canva's features, being able to preview your designs before finalizing them is essential to ensure everything looks just as you imagined. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, let's start by opening your Canva project. Once your project has loaded, take a moment to look closely at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll find an assortment of tools designed to enhance your design experience. Among these tools is the zoom icon, which is your key to accessing the preview feature. The zoom icon, typically represented by a magnifying glass, allows you to get a closer look at the minute details of your design. Clicking it will enable you to zoom in and out, so you can examine different areas of your project more closely. This ability to zoom plays a crucial role in utilizing Canva's preview feature. The preview function is a simple yet effective tool that lets you see your design as a whole. Engaging with this feature allows you to easily assess the balance, composition, and overall appearance of your project. When you click the zoom icon, you'll be able to see how your design will look upon completion, free from any interference by grids, guides, or interface elements that might clutter your workspace. Having a clear view is essential for visualizing the end product and ensuring that elements such as text alignment, color harmony, and overall layout meet your expectations. Another great aspect of using the preview is that it simulates a real-world view, which can be particularly useful when you're designing print materials, presentations, or digital assets that require precision. You have the flexibility to shift your focus to see various sections in more detail or view the entire project from a broader perspective. Doing so helps catch inconsistencies or areas needing adjustments that might be overlooked in regular editing mode. Remember, a well-utilized preview ensures that no small mistakes make it to the final product and that everything aligns just as you intended. This can save you time and effort by preventing the need for major revisions after exporting your design. Whether you're dealing with complex layouts or simple designs, always take a moment to use the preview feature to check your work thoroughly. And there you have it. By utilizing the Zoom tool to preview your project in Canva, you're setting yourself up for design success. This straightforward approach will help you maintain a critical eye on detail and ensure every project you create is a masterpiece in its own right. So next time you're working on a design, be sure to harness the power of the preview. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching, and happy designing until next time.